morning to all of you, as it is 2nd of June 2021, class 12, subject economics, topic measurement of price elasticity by expenditure method. Previously, we learned about the concept of elasticity of demand, its various attributes like price elasticity, income elasticity. Today we want to know about how to calculate price elasticity by expenditure method. Here are three methods: expenditure method, income method, and percentage method. But for today, only one component of measurement is taken into consideration, that is price expenditure method. According to this method, price elasticity is measured by knowing how income of a consumer is affected by a change in price of the commodity. So there exists a relationship between income with price of the commodity. But here three conditions are required, or three conditions take place. First is, if rise or fall in price of a commodity makes no change in total expenditure. This thing should be remembered, that if rise or fall in price makes no change in expenditure of the consumer, it is a case of unitary elasticity of demand. Means elasticity of demand is unitary, as is shown here. Along x-axis we represent total expenditure, y-axis represents the price. This B to C level makes no change in the expenditure of the consumer, because no doubt the price here has fallen, here the price too has fallen, but expenditure, it doesn't impact any expenditure of the consumer. So this situation is unitary elasticity of demand, indicates that whenever there is a rise or fall in price but makes no change in the total expenditure of the consumer, it is a situation of unitary elasticity of demand, as is shown by this portion M, C and B. Okay, then we are having the second situation. If with a fall in price of a good, total expenditure decreases, and with a rise in price of the good, total expenditure increase. It is a case of elasticity less than unitary, as is shown here. With an increase in price, expenditure increases, and with a fall in price, expenditure falls. It is a situation of elasticity of demand less than 1. Okay, then we are having a third situation. If with fall in price of a commodity, total expenditure increases. With a fall in total expenditure increase, and with a rise in price, total expenditure decreases. It is a case of greater than 1. Okay, all these three cases are reflected from this diagram. So we can say that income, this expenditure method is one of the method which indicates the impact of price rise or fall of a good upon the total expenditure of the consumer. Okay, and this much is enough for today.